got a bachelor's in mechanical engineering. You went to go work in this space. How do we get more people excited about this industry? How do we get more people excited about doing the work that you guys do?
You know, that's a great question because at first in working through my mechanical engineering degree, I really wanted to go into something glamorous and exciting like designing helicopters or race cars or something like that. And it really came about during the interviews for my first internship. As I said before, I went to Drexel University, and they are very key on the internship program. And through that process, I started to understand how dynamic and ever-changing the manufacturing world is, and it really keeps every day new and exciting. How do we get that information out to more young people? I think us as manufacturers owe it to ourselves to offer more tours to the public, to get people coming in, to reach out to youth groups, things like that, just get more people exposed to it.
Yeah, absolutely. So your first, dip into this industry was really that internship that you had. Could you tell us a little bit more about what that internship was and
sure.
what really, would love to hear about that.
So it was with Kimberly Clark, making of all things toilet paper. And as a college freshman, I have my next, I forget exactly where my next interview was, but it was someplace exciting like Boeing or, some Lockheed Martin or something like that. So this was sort of my safety net, right? And being a young and immature college kid, I kind of walked into the interview with a ho-hum type of attitude. And I think the person interviewing me kind of felt that. And so he sort of set aside all the typical questions and said, you know what? You want to take a tour of the facility? And so we skipped the questions and we went on a tour, and I started walking around and seeing these rolls of toilet paper fly by on conveyors so fast that it just looked like a giant snake rather than individual rolls. And just all these machines and the huge rolls coming off of the press, it was so incredible. It was breathtaking. And that really changed my opinion and changed the whole layout of my priorities and eventually the path that I went through with my career.
That's huge. That's absolutely huge. And I love that story as well, because, we talk about maintenance, we talk about reliability. I don't think people realize like what that actually means until you step foot into a facility.
Yeah.
And you actually see it with your own eyes. I absolutely love it.